All right, so I know some of you might be having virtual back to school nights. I know in our district, we are doing our back to school nights virtually. So I wanted to show you a little setting in Zoom that will ensure that your parents and guardians can join your meeting regardless of if they have the app downloaded on their device or not. Let's go take a look. All right, so I am in my Zoom settings. I'm gonna go down to In Meeting Advanced, and I'm going to make sure this setting right here, show a join from your browser link. I'm going to make sure that that is turned on. And this allows your participants to bypass the Zoom application download process, join the meeting directly from their browser. That's it. That's all you have to do. One simple setting will ensure that your parents can join your Zoom back to school night virtual meeting regardless of if they have the app downloaded on their device or not.